Say it again. Look at that mouth.
What?
There's the guy who kept checking kLub out.
Oh, are you taking a video?
Maybe. Look at that mouth. Look at that mouth.
You have issues, kid. Yeah.
It's weird because I can see everything on the camera that I can see on here. Carla's
It's
denied.
over for you.
No!
Do you
LOL
want all my
JK.
tomatoes, actually?
Why'd you get tomato?
I'm not feeling it. I don't know. I'm regretting some of the things I put on here. I'm regretting
You
giving
always
this
get the
stuff
same
to
thing.
Gary.
Look at
I
that
know.
mouth.
What's wrong with you?
Nothing. Look at that skill.
Kid,
He
you have
knows how to
problems.
work the. He knows how to work the meatball sub.
Yeah, I'm trying to.
Shut up, Ashley.
I don't know. Is this
Girl,
going on the
it's
internet?
you.
I hope this doesn't.
It might. Ask Carla.
Is this her camera?
Yeah?
Oh god. Can you not put this on the internet?
Please do.
It took me eating.
Yes, I love you, Carla.
What's this?
Green pepper.
Ew.
Shut up, Ashley.
Do you want me to eat that?
What?
Aw, you're
That's
cute.
It just
Fail. Look at that. Those luscious lips.
oh, your napkins.
Ace it on face.
You make me really tired. Ah, I spilled.
I was saying before this crisis.
Look at that. Not a
His blowjob.
Oh, he's picking his nose. Gross.
Scratching the side.
No, you're picking it. See, look at that. Look at that nose picker.
This is not in my nose.
Yes, it is.
Here, you want it? Nom 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 nom.
Are you doing it too? I love how you got the picture of the pedophile looking at you.
Pedophile? Oh my god,
I forgot about
that.
What
Oh my
pedophile?
god.
He was standing behind me.
Oh, that guy was
And then she
scary.
took a picture and he was looking straight at her.
Let me see.
You look like an elf. Like your brother.